Hey, John here. Sometimes you get medieval on stuff and sometimes you get modern. So, little project I started, and partway through I had to just quit and order me a new tool. So we'll get an unboxing in here too. Thanks for watching. Hey, John here. Got an unboxing. So, might as well just get to it. Snips. Got a tie wrap on the lock. Just molded in plastic. It'd take anybody anything to defeat it. But lock it is nonetheless. Case out of the way here. There we go. For the DeWalt, what do they call it? Can't call it by the Milwaukee name. What do they call it? Heavy duty, deep cut, variable speed bandsaw. Well, let's see about that. See if it even works. Sure it will. I don't usually have trouble with DeWalt products. Now let's see, what do we have to deal with here? Anything? Works for me. Was it good for you? Sorry for the handheld, but I could show a couple of features here. The light, so you can see what you're sawing. That's kind of handy. Variable speed. I'm varying it with the trigger now. You also have a it's full trigger, but the variables on the knob here now. Very nice. All I can say. Let's take a look underneath here, under the hood, and see what we got. Looks to be pretty nice. Got rubber guards here so you don't beat stuff up. There's really not much to look at. You've got a hanging hook here if you need to hang it on something. Looks like the handle, I didn't notice that before, but the handle, which was horizontal, goes all the way from the handle. You need to fold out of the way and flip up there, here, 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 there, whatever you want. Just lock it down with a thumb screw on the side. Okay, this is the guy, the DWM120K. And it's quite an interesting little machine. Let me put this on the tripod. I'm sure you'll appreciate it. Hey, gonna take a little closer look at the new saw, the DWM120K by DeWalt. Okay, one feature here is a cutting light. That's always handy. And we have an adjustable handle. You just loosen this up, and it's got detents. And have to get it loose enough to slip it past the detents. You go here, 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 and where you want. And just lock it down with the screw. It also has a hook on it, hanging hook, so you can hang it on your ladder or something. Variable speed, and it's variable both with the trigger. I'm doing it now with the trigger. With the dial, and then a full trigger down on the full speed here, and that's variable too. You set that for whatever you want. So, kind of handy, kind of nice. Not much else to show. I haven't changed the blade, but that's easy enough. You just loosen the tensioner right here, and the blades are the best way to show it. Pan down a little bit here. It won't pan. How come? Why aren't we panning? Because I didn't loosen the wrong knob. Okay. Oh, and it's got an Allen wrench here. So whatever you need an Allen wrench for. I haven't run into that yet. Well, I can't. I cut up this piece of tool steel, went right through it like it through butter. And I couldn't get any of my other saws to cut it. Of course, this is a brand new blade, and other ones were all old blades. So looks like it's going to do the job for me. I'm getting a stand for it too, so can be used in this position, standing up.